Hi everyone, my name is Vishnu. Welcome to my channel. My channel is Vishnu Lives. I'm an international student. I have recently traveled from India to Canada, and we have booked a 3-day quarantine in Fairfield and Suites by Marriott. So I like to introduce my room to you and how we booked this room and certain details which I like to share with you people. This hotel is located nearby to the airport within 5 kilometers span. And we both has together shared this room. Most of the students used to ask a query regarding that whether people can share the room. Myself and Lipin. We both had shared this room for $1,400, $1,410, $700 nearby to $700 each for 3 days. So we had the 4th floor number room. That's a room number 405. This is the hotel. It's almost nearby to the airport. Room number 405. When you enter, you got a dresser here. Okay, you got an entire dresser available. The press is available, and when you enter itself, you can find the toilet. It's neat and clean. We've been staying here for 3 days, so we have made it a little bit tidy. Then we got a coffee machine. Then you got an oven. Then you got a fridge, mini bar. Then apart from that, you got a sofa and table and a chair. You got parallel lights here. The lighting of the room is also very comfortable. And you got a 42-inch TV. But movies are most of the English channels are really available. Like Canadian channels are available. Then the main thing is that this room is located just opposite to the airport. It's very difficult to find out right now. They can see the flights being landed there. It's just opposite to the airport, and it's nearby within 5 kilometers of the airport. And all these facilities are available. For one single bed is available. That's a king size bed, so 2 people can stay here. Rest, I think it was comfortable for us to stay here. 3 days, no any nuisance, no other nuisance or any other sounds are coming up. So it's very safe and comfortable. And the delivery and the response from the front office as well as the customer service was very supportive and very interesting, because 18 of them travel from India, out of which only 3 have quarantined in this hotel. Rest are staying in other hotels which are approved by government. So with respect to that, I can confirm that the number of hotels, with respect to the other hotels, we can confirm that the rooms are neat. The support regarding the food, we'll get 3 times meals, including breakfast, and 2 other meals are available. Most of them are Canadian food, but compared to other hotels, the food are better. And other thing which can I say is that the response from the front office, when you ask for something, whether request for some tea or coffee sachets, but you will be having a coffee machine here, so you can make any number of coffees, any number of sachets they will be providing. And one of the main other thing which we face, the other thing which I liked was regarding the orange juice. Every day they will be delivering around 3 to 4 packets of orange juice, 3 to 4 packets of Coca-Colas and Pepsis, and water bottles. Number of water bottles they have been delivering. When I spoke to other people at the hotel, they have told that they had limited water bottles and limited the sachets of tea and coffee, and no Coca-Colas or juice were delivered. And including 3 meals, just decent. We can say it was decent meals which is provided, and we have enough space for keeping our luggages. So those who people want to quarantine, you can quarantine together. Those who are traveling together, there's no other issues. We were asked to just quarantine. That's all. We were asked only the quarantine plan in the airport. That's all. Rest you can quarantine together. You can save money. Most of them will be traveling on a budget plan. As I know, all the international students will be having limited money to spend. So spending $1,200 per head will be a difficult task for everyone. So it is right now. It is for $4,400. We got 2 people sharing $700 each, so that was comfortable. And today we are leaving out from this room and moving out to the 11-day quarantine. That also we have booked in Airbnb. That also was reasonable. $800 for 2 people for 11 days without food. We will be cooking ourselves. Rest is, I found it very comfortable with this place. Okay, I will do the quarantine food details later. This is the room. The hotel name is Fairfield and Suites by Marriott, nearby to the airport. Thank you.